Previously on Mafia War Chronicles.
I just want to stop the bloodshed between our families. Well, as of this morning, I called a complete ceasefire of my whole crew.
Vincenzo, you truly are a gentleman and a man of your word. This war is costing us a lot of money.
The Valve-Fam's been shitting on us for years and I'm tired of it.
Who the fuck do you think you're talking to? Embarrassing my family like that.
And now on Mafia War Chronicles. Forget about it.
You owe us an apology, tough guy.
Look, I apologize for disrespecting your family.
Next time, there's not gonna be a next time. Smarten up.
Hey, D, wait a minute. Maybe this punk can help us out. Help us with what? Got a little problem in Livingston? What do you say, tough guy? Want to join forces and help us out?
What exactly do I have to do?
We want you to whack Little Carmine. And once it's done, you get a monthly bonus.
It'll be my pleasure.
Oh, by the way, Little Carmine is the boss's younger brother. You got a problem with that?
No, I don't.
Drinks are on me today, gentlemen!
Who the hell are you?
I'm the pizza delivery guy.
Pizza? I didn't know no fucking pizza.
Yeah, you did. Extra cheese and pepperoni.
Get the fuck out of my house before I slap the shit out of you. Gun.
And what the fuck do you want?
I got a special delivery for you from Nick Vinci.
I hope it's a 10K that piece of shit owes me.
So tell me, Charlie, how many hits do you really have under your belt?
Come on, Vito. Behave yourself now.
Whoa, we're just talking here.
I don't like that kind of fucking talk, you hear?
Come on, Charlie. You're a New Jersey legend. I mean, there's nobody here.
You guys have always been jealous of me. But if you have to know, I whacked at least 100 bums.
Oh, you really are a tough guy, Charlie.
And I think I am I know I'm a fucking tough guy.
Who's this tough guy now?
This is what you leave us? Where's the Rolex? You bum.
You know something? That was really fun.
We're like the Three Musketeers.
Oh no, we're the Three Monster Tears.
So, Anthony, what do you have for me?
Our upscale restaurant at the AC Casino. It's gonna fork over 100 grand this month.
Now that's what I like to hear.
Gets better.
I'm listening.
We put in a massage parlor on the 23rd floor.
That's what I'm talking about.
So, this is a place we can get our contacts laid, huh?
Exactly.
So what's the room number?
Hey guys, I miss anything?
Yeah, getting laid.
Oh yeah? What the hell is that supposed to mean?
Oh.
Nicky, relax, take it easy. What do you got there for me?
This? Just a little taste from Mike Perino's construction company.
It's good work, Paisan. You know, ever since we've been doing work with the Cavallo crew about a year ago, we've been doing pretty well.
Yeah, I can't agree more, boss.
I feel the same way. I have an announcement to make. I'm making Anthony my new underboss.
Oh, congratulations, Aunt.
Thank you, Vincenzo.
You know, boss, I've been loyal to this family for years. I think maybe it's time you up me to captain.
Hey, how you guys doing? I'm Special Agent Martin Ross. These are my colleagues, Miller, Sheridan. We want to have a word with you.
Well, unless you have a search warrant, I suggest you leave our club now.
Warrant? That's good. Make one phone call. Have 40 agents storm this place. So you could do it the hard way, you could do it the easy way. It's your choice.
I don't give a shit how you do it.
Nick,
I'm telling you guys to get out of our club.
Really?
That's the boss.
Really, huh?
You want to get us all punch? Smarten up.
Now, Nick, I'm saying take a seat.
Well, now that we have your undivided attention, I'm obligated to tell you that Mark Cavello, as of last week, has been arrested and deported back to Sicily.
We also have your boy, Jimmy Ippolito, in custody. He's charged with 2 counts of murder. He's looking at a lot of federal jail time.
We also know that last year you met with the Cavello crew in Luigi's down in East Hanover, New Jersey.
And 2 weeks after that, we found Carmen Cavello, little Carmen Cavello, shot, dead, murdered in his TV room with an empty box of pizza on his lap.
And the sad part about it was his wife and kids were upstairs sleeping in their bedrooms.
Any of you guys recognize any of these fine, upstanding citizens? Huh? Do you?
Let me tell you guys something. We're gonna take down your whole crew.
Hey guys, why don't you wise up? Just cooperate with us.
You have anything to say for yourselves? Anything?
Yeah, I could use a little more coffee, please.
Yeah, make that too. Make that too.
It's funny. It won't be too funny when you're in handcuffs. We're dragging your ass out of here. Won't be too funny then, will it? Yeah. Well, we'll be back. You can guarantee I'll be back. And by the way, why don't you clean up this pigsty? All right? It's disgusting in here.
Do any of you guys know anything about this?
This is the first time.
Vincenzo, no.
And who the fuck are you guys?
This is Mr. Paul Cavallo, and I'm Dominic Riccardi.
Is that supposed to mean something?
Mr. Cavallo happens to be the new boss of the New Jersey family.
What is he kidding you?
Want to know something, Nick? This might be a good time for you to start showing me some respect.
Sure, I'll start showing you a little respect. When you start handing me stuffed envelopes.
Oh, really? Well, I got news for you. There's a new boss in town. And either you're going to respect me or suffer the consequences.
You know something, Nick? You mounted off to our crew last year, and look what happened to you. You want that again?
Hey, tough guy, you got something to say? Hey, V, I think this punk still has a death wish.
Z, Frankie, take Nick outside for a walk.
Alright, pal, get the fuck up. Are you deaf? Stand the fuck up.
Hey, guys, come on, guys. Come on. Can't we talk about this like gentlemen? Guys, come on. Hey.
Vincenzo, you've always been a true gentleman. Just keep an open mind when we talk, okay?
I'm taking back your 25% ownership in my casino in Atlantic City.
And we're also taking back the Italian restaurant. It's unfair you ain't kicking anything up to us.
And what about your 50% in our New York Carpenter Pension Fund?
But what I want to know is, where's my action on Mike Perillo's construction company?
We don't control that, Paulie.
It's not what I'm hearing, Vinny.
I can't give you what I don't have.
Then we're through here. I'll be talking to you, Vin.